Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PowerPoint file to PDF file for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for the I Love PDF website. After you have searched for this website, you can open it. And we have to choose the PowerPoint to PDF since once you convert our PowerPoint file to PDF. Select this option and you can choose your PowerPoint file. I'm just gonna select this one for example, then click on open. Okay, and click on convert to PDF, but if you want to add more file, you can click on this plus icon, but I'm just going to convert this PowerPoint to PDF. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Alright, and now the PowerPoint file has been converted to the PDF, and I'm going to click on download file. Okay, and now the PDF file has been downloaded. Alright guys, and that's all the way to convert a PowerPoint file to PDF. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.